Okay, we're just going to continue to talk about beauty. And if you love it like we do, it is time to shop. We have a great Get Ready With Me box that is specially discounted for all of you. And we're talking big discounts, too.
Lifestyle expert Melissa Garcia is here to show us what's inside. And you can scan that QR code to shop alone.
Hi, Melissa.
Good morning.
Okay, we're the two good people to talk about this.
You guys, this is going to be fun.
We like a product.
We love a product. And I don't think I've ever done a box with 9 products. There's a lot of products. This retails close to $300.
Wow.
It's only $79 today. So you're getting like 73% off.
So all
we'll
of
jump
this
in.
comes
everything.
in the box?
You get everything. So even if you don't want some things, you can gift some.
Yeah.
It's really great. So
but you're going to want everything.
You're going to want everything. So starting with this is a hair straightener.
I need this. Okay, hair products.
You definitely.
Yes, talk to me about the hair products.
Maybe your wife would want this, but it's really cool. It doesn't work like a regular traditional hair straightener, which you clamp between your hair.
Yeah.
Can you can.
My beard? Your beard. You brush it through. It's heated.
It's like a brush.
It's like a brush. It's really cool. It works. It makes your hair like sleek and shiny. Heats up in just 60 seconds, and it has an automatic turn off, which is good because you always leave the house. You're like, shoot, did I turn that? Yes. Okay. Products. More products. Hair products. So this is from Sexy Hair. So you're getting sort of a duo here. This is the root pump, and this is the volumizing gel. So this works like a mousse.
Yeah.
I need that too. Lay my hair down.
Yes, it works like a mousse, and it's great because it doesn't come out clumpy. You can spray it into your hair. It gives tons of volume, humidity resistant.
Cool.
And this is a volumizing gel. You put all over your hair when it's damp, and then it gives you a heat protectant when you're using tools on your hair, and it also gives you a ton of volume.
Amazing. Okay, these are two.
Moving on to the makeup because you see, I needed the makeup this morning.
Yes.
We're
Tell us about this Luxe mascara.
So look at you. You're all prepped. The mascara's coming. You're ready.
Let's go.
So this is cool. So if you have curly hair, this is from David Curl. This is like the holy grail of hair product for curly hair. This is great because it actually helps define curls. A lot of women with curly hair say their hair tends to look frizzy.
Yeah.
This helps their curls get really defined. The brand says it's paraben.
So yeah.
Wait, this you might like. So this is a mask. This is a face mask. This is from Frank B. It's their brightening vitamin C face mask.
Amazing.
It's great. It has papaya extract, has pineapple extract, eats all of the dead skin cells.
Ooh, great.
Brightens. It sort of reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Works really well in just 5 minutes.
I need that. So this is the mascara over here.
We're getting there. We're almost there. You're
I was so excited about my makeup.
We're almost there.
I think this is an eye cream. Is that right?
It looks like it should be, but it's not. But so this is from Neostrata. This is actually a clarifying gel. It's a targeted treatment for clogged pores. So this is an alpha hydroxy acid. And this is cool because this is a glycolic lotion for your full body. So it's good you're putting on your hands. It smooths texture. It really helps to define lines. Yeah, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles.
I like shaking hands with people and their hands feel like
like a little silky.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Smooths out the whole surface.
Okay.
Okay, so we finally arrived to
the mascara.
Because this morning I didn't look like this, so Sam got me right. So please talk to us about this.
This is actually really cool. So this is from Doll 10, and it's a mascara, but it's not just your traditional mascara. It does lengthen, it gives volume, but it's packed with peptides. So if your lashes need some love, if they're feeling brittle or dull,
it helps grow the lashes.
It just moisturizes them, nourishes them. If you've had lash extensions and you're taking them off and you want your eyelashes to get back to good health, wow, this is
that
a very exciting segment.
That was a flip.
It's a turnover.
Is that your basketball skills?
You see that?
Those are your basketball skills.
That was amazing.
There we go.
So I heard you can look up, but you also look down, right? I'm learning this. You can look down and put them on, and then you look up. I'm just, for all the men out there, you know you need it.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. And this part you'll probably want because this is like the holy grail of taking off all of your makeup. So this is the original makeup eraser. So this is basically just like a washcloth, but it has special fibers that if you just put water on it, it removes your makeup. So
wait, that's amazing.
Your mascara will come off, eyeliner, foundations, and they say it works two and a half times better than a traditional makeup wipe. And it's eco-friendly because you can wash it, you can use it time and time again, and it's cost-effective.
By the way, if you just are using your white towels, you're getting makeup all over it.
It's a hot mess.
My wife did that last night.
Yeah.
She was crazy. I had to hide the towel. I didn't want the people to come in and see it.
Exactly.
It's all good.
This is an incredible box that you put together for us, Melissa. If you want to shop this, which you should, it's our limited edition Get Ready With Me box for just $79. By the way, the discount here is crazy.
Yeah, it's 73% off, and these boxes sell really quick.
So go right now. Head to today.com/boxes, and today may earn commission from purchases made through our links.
We'll be back right after this.
These are good products.
So good.
Good products.